We'll guide you through how to fix audio problems in a Zoom meeting. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Audio problems in Zoom are annoying as it makes it hard to go and participate in a meeting, as you can't go and hear or can't go and speak. First of all, head to the top right of Zoom and you can press on your profile icon and go down and find the option for settings. Now you need to come over to the left and find the option for audio. First of all, for the speaker, make sure the correct output is selected. I'm using the system one, and you can go and press test to go make sure it's correctly working and try increasing the volume if you need to. Then what you want to do is come down to microphone if you have a problem with that, and you want to go make sure the correct one is working, and you can go and do a test as well. You can see it's been detected. And what you can also try doing is increasing the volume as well to go and make it louder. Go and see if that solves the problem. If it doesn't, then what you want to try doing is pressing search at the bottom and typing in sound mixer options. Scroll down into apps and make sure Zoom is all increased and it's not muted, otherwise you can't go and hear what's going on. See if that solves it. If it still doesn't, then try restarting your computer and that should.